Hello, welcome to my channel and welcome to my new subscribers. In front of me I have a new little project share that I have been working on for the past month, drawing up the designs, trying to get the right measurements. I have been researching on Google as well as Pinterest, and I've had this aeroplane in mind for such a long time. It is an airplane which is not exactly perfect, but it's where I want it to look a little bit steampunk kind of meets grunge. I've used metal parts, embellishments that were in my stash. The Stamperia of Lady Vagabond and Sir Vagabond paper. I've also used the Cosmic Stamperia tissue paper as well. There are cogwheels involved that I also have placed on this plane. The kind of things I've used to make and decorate the plane is the Nouveau embellishment mousse, and it's the aquamarine colour. So it gives that lovely metallic bluey tinge of a shine to it, as well as the mixed media cream paste to actually kind of seal in the edges as best as I possibly can, and also give that kind of metallic sheen look as well, combined with the Nouveau embellishment mousse. And this one here is the metallic cream paste. I've added also some gold foil stuck down with some Cosmic Shimmer glitter glue. And also I've used some gold Nouveau mousse as well, just in some places over the top of the body of the aeroplane. So I've also used the modelling paste, black modelling paste around the world from a stencil, also from Stamperia, but I'm not sure which one it was now, I can't remember. So the way I've done it is that I've covered the whole plane in metallic colouring of the aquamarine embellishment mousse, along with the gold and the metallic cream paste, to give that kind of grungy metallically look. So it's not exactly something that was perfect. It's more like I said, it's grungy kind of look. I've added the cogwheels just in here. You probably see them just in there. I can't point it to it now. Just over here. That's the cogwheels there over the poles of the top of the wings of the plane. Cogwheels to the front. I've covered my metal findings here that I have from my stash in the gold foil. So that really gives it that kind of a difference in a bit of a steampunk feel. I've used some leftover rosettes that I've constructed my Christmas tree about 2 posts ago for Christmas, and used those. The propeller actually moves, so that's it there, it moves around. The wheels are painted with black paint. There is also little sayings on the side of the plane, and this one says "Escape the Ordinary" from Lady Vagabond collection of the paper line. I have placed the tissue paper, and it's all cut up. Sorry, I've just bumped the camera. It's all cut up. It's like decoupaged, but it's all spatialed around, ripped up, basically, well, cut up, rip up, kind of thing, stuck down. And it's the Cosmic tissue paper, and I've just on the body of the plane. The other side of the plane actually says, "Let the future arrive one day at a time," with some cogwheels stuck down. So I think it's a really good sturdy plane. I have placed pictures, as I said, on my Facebook page, as well as Instagram. So I really hope that maybe you'll like this sort of an idea. Perhaps try it yourself and make your own kind of plane. So I really hope it's inspired you to make one for yourself. It was a little bit of a difficult project because I've had to draw all the designs, but all the same, it was a fun and interesting little construction that I've created, and I really hope that you like it too. So with that, I'm going to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my idea. I hope you like my project, and I'll see you soon next time with a brand new post. Until then, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.